Working from home requires a setup that keeps you productive and connected. In this video, we will share the best Windows tips for working from home. Start by organizing your workspace with virtual desktops, separating work from personal use to stay focused. Master snap layouts to arrange your video call, documents, and browser neatly on screen at once. Use focus sessions to block distractions during deep work periods. Set up cloud storage so your files are backed up and accessible from any device, which is essential when away from the office. Learn your video conferencing app well, testing your camera and microphone in the sound settings beforehand. Enable Do Not Disturb during meetings to silence notifications. Use a second monitor if possible, which dramatically boosts productivity for multitasking. Keep your software updated for security, since home networks need extra care. Set up a VPN if your work requires secure connections. Schedule regular backups so you never lose important files. Take advantage of the clipboard history for gathering information efficiently, and establish a routine of shutting down at the end of the day. These tips help you create a focused, reliable, and comfortable home office on your Windows PC.